Today, I'll talk about insurance fraud. Have you ever heard of the term insurance before or insurance fraud? If you're the one who is not aware of this term, I'm pretty sure you'll acquire some knowledge about insurance after watching this short video. First, I'll briefly explain what the term insurance is and how it can work. Insurance is a way to protect yourself from financial losses in case something unexpected happens. You pay a fee to an insurance company, and if you experience a covered loss or damage, the insurance company will pay you back for it. So, in easier words, it means that if you pay money to the company, you won't have to pay to cover your unexpected damage because they will pay it for you. Next, since you've gotten what insurance is, what would be the definition of insurance fraud? That's correct. According to the English Cambridge Dictionary, fraud is the crime of getting money by deceiving people. So, if you add the two terms together, insurance and fraud, it's when using insurance to snatch away money by deceiving others. Insurance fraud can also be categorized into two different groups. First is when the insurance company or the agent, aka insurer, is the victim of insurance fraud. Second is when the buyer of the insurance, aka policyholder, or the insured, is the victim of the insurance fraud. For example, there was a life insurance fraud that happened recently in South Korea called the Gapyeong murder case. This life insurance fraud is when the policyholder or the insured is the victim. For life insurance, which is an insurance that guarantees matters related to human life, they are distributed into more specific types other than the two groups of insurance fraud I previously mentioned. A specific type of fraud for this Gapyeong murder case is called murder for profit. To briefly talk about the crime, there is a 31-year-old woman called Eun-hye Lee who has an affair with a 30-year-old man called Hyun-soo Cho. Eun-hye Lee's legal husband, Sang Yup-yoon, is a victim who had to dive from a cliff even though he couldn't swim. It is said that Eun-hye Lee and Hyun-soo Cho encouraged Sang Yup-yoon to dive from the cliff and let him drown in hopes of receiving insurance money. As a consequence, Sang Yup-yoon died. Eun-hye Lee is sentenced to life and Hyun-soo Cho is imprisoned for 30 years. Finally, and most importantly, there are some ways that you, as a citizen, can do to avoid insurance fraud. First, when buying an insurance, never pay your premiums directly to an agent. All payments should be made to your legitimate insurance company. Second, read your policy carefully before purchasing. The policy is a contract between a customer and an insurance company. It tells you what the company will cover, how much it will cost, and also how long it will last. Third, if an agent reaches out to you, contact the company they work for to verify the agent's identity and licensing. This is all I've got for you today, and I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time!